Hi, I'm Diksha. I'm teaching class 1. I'm teaching in Swiss Cottage School. It's been 2 years since I'm teaching. I joined the school as a fresher, and the same things happened with me that have happened in the movie. It's an awesome movie and I think all teachers should watch it. One thing I would like to say is that kids are like sponge. They absorb everything you give them. So give them love so that when you squeeze them, love comes out. And scolding them, shouting them is not the solution, is not the way of teaching. Because when you shout at the kids, they go away from you. And if you want them to be confident, be a kid with them and tell them that you don't know anything so that they come up with their ideas. And in this film, they've actually shown all these things which are very important. A teacher should know. And one thing that really touched my heart was when all the kids say, Roshni ma'am, please be my teacher forever. That was one thing that touched my heart. It actually happened with me also. My students said the same thing. This is one thing you feel that you actually achieved something. And I feel the movie is awesome. You all should watch it. And I'm taking much more with me. And I'll try and implement more things.
What are any areas that you felt you take home with you? Certain areas where the script that you read spoke about. You felt that this is interesting. I think I should do like this.
Yeah, the way Roshni handled Krish was awesome. And we generally have kids in class. We have like plenty of such kids. And I think we should handle them in the same way rather than telling them, okay, you're a bad kid, you should not do that. We should not do that. We should appreciate the good qualities of the kid so that he feels, yes, I'm good, I have to be good. Because if you keep criticizing a kid, he'll feel, okay, I'm bad, and I am bad, then he'll be bad. So I feel you should appreciate the kid, you should bring out the good qualities in a kid and tell all the other students that, okay, these are the good qualities in this child and you have good qualities, so you should show your good qualities to others. That was one thing, the way Roshni handled Krish. We should handle all such kids in the same way.
And what were the other kids, the general class?
The general class, this boy who was really shy, he's from a backward family, Keshav. He feels like, oh, I should not do it. And the way Roshni like taught him up, made him the monitor, his confidence level and everything, that was awesome. And the way she handled other kids, like she told this girl to draw stars on the chart, and she told him, okay, you're my little angel, you're my monitor. She's tried to build confidence in each and every child, not one child. She's giving importance to each and every child and bringing out their particular talents, which is very important. Because each child has something or the other in him or her, which is the duty of the teacher to bring it out. So that the child is confident and he doesn't lack anywhere.
Anything, any area you felt that the script felt weak or that it should have been added or it shouldn't have been like this?
No, not at all. I think everything is there and it's awesome. The way the movie has been done and everything, the way the children were, everything was just fantastic. I really enjoyed it and I think all teachers should watch this movie, take the script home and try and do the same what Roshni has done. It will make a lot of difference.
Do teachers generally behave in the manner Roshni behaves in the film?
Yes, most of the times. Being a teacher, I do the same, but at times, a teacher really gets irritated and then the teacher ends up shouting, don't do this, okay, I'll punish you all just to scare the kids. Which is not right. We should not say that at all. We should only be their friends rather than, acting as a teacher, because if you act as a complete teacher, the child will like, oh, it's a boring subject. The child will lose interest. Rather, you should be a friend so that the kids come up to you, ma'am, I'm not getting this, ma'am, I want your help and stuff like that. That is very important. So we should not shout even this much. We should not punish the child even this much. This is very important. And the child should be completely attached to the teacher so that he should realize, okay, if I do something wrong, my teacher will feel bad. That is what the aim of a teacher should be. So I think everything is there in the movie. There's no problem at all. Everything is perfect.
Anything else?
No. I would just say all the teachers should watch this movie and follow the same methods, especially with the younger ones, because they are like clay. The way you mold them, they'll come up the same way. So you should be really
any sequences in the build-up shots wherein there's a turnaround happening, or any areas you felt, oh, this was interesting. I think I should be doing it like this as well.
Yes, the way they did that train poem and the way she told them, okay, we have to make our class neat and clean. Let's all take up the initiative. It's our class, it's our home, everything. That was really nice. You should tell the kids, okay, this is your property. So if you tell the kid this is your property, he'll be possessive about it. Once the child will be possessive about it, he'll take care of it, which is very important. Because if the child feels, okay, this is a school, this is not my property, he'll put pencil shavings, wrappers and everything go on the floor. And if you tell the child, no, this is your property, you have to take care of it, he'll definitely take care and make the class neat. And then these things, they become your habits.
Any area you felt that the film was becoming superficial? It is not real?
No, not at all. No. I think it's completely real, and such things happen with the teachers when they're teaching the younger ones especially. Because younger ones are really like the way these kids were. And the teacher should also be loving and caring so that the children say, ma'am, I love you. That is the best thing. Because I'll tell you my experience. I thought that I'll not get my class next year. And I was really in tears because I got really attached to my kids. Thankfully I got my class again and I love them like anything. And the same thing is happening again because now they are going to go in third. I don't know who will be their teacher, whether I'll be with them or not. This is the first batch I've taught and I'm really attached to these kids. I really love them. So these things are very important. You should love the child. You should think all children are your children. Don't think, okay, he's not my kid, so I should not love him. No caste, no beauty, no nothing should affect a teacher. It should only be the child. Like, don't think, okay, this child is dark in complexion, I should not love him or something. Everything is important. You should love all kids, love them like your kids, and see what the feedback kids give you. They love you even more. 1,000 times more you love them. Because kids are really loving and caring, they are like God. So that is what I feel.